In this video, I want us to look at expressing in partial fractions, how we can solve our partial fraction using the method of letting the values of x. Now, our question today is we have 5x plus 7 out of x plus 1 into x plus 2. That's our question that we are going to deal with on how we solve and express something in partial fraction. Now, if you look at our question, it has two parts, so we are going to split it into simpler parts. It has two linear factors. So step 1, we write them in the form of we have 5x plus 7 in over x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a over x plus 1, that is part 1, plus b over x plus 2, that is part 2. So those are the two parts that we want to split it into. Then after we get the LCM, so we go ahead to get the LCM then. So the LCM in this form is going to be the denominator of the parent fraction, so which is x plus 1 into x plus 2. So after getting the LCM as x plus 1 into x plus 2, so we go ahead to multiply it on both sides. So we multiply it on both sides. Now when we multiply it on both sides, we can cancel, you can cross those that are common. So when we cross those that are common, we end up having 5x plus 7 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. So after having that, we go ahead to solve for a and b. So our next task is to get a and b. Which one was a, which one is b? So we come and say we choose x is equal to -2 to find b, because a goes to 0 and then we find b. So when we substitute in, accordingly, we shall have 5 into -2 plus 7 is equal to a into -2 plus 2, b into -2 plus 1. But a will go to 0. So we have -10 is equal, -10 plus 7 is equal to a into 0 plus b into -1. Therefore, our -3 is equal to -b. So our b becomes 3. So we have b as 3. So the purpose of choosing x as -2 is to make a disappear. So we have our b as 3. So we get to choose another one as x is equal to -1, such that when we choose x is equal to -1, b disappears and then we remain with a. So when we substitute in accordingly, we have 5 into -1 plus 7 is equal to a into -1 plus 2 and then -1 plus 1. So b will go to 0. So completing the substitution. Now this is the category that I said how we solve partial fraction using the letting of the values of x. In another video, we are going to see how we can also obtain the values of a and b using comparison. So stick with me and you'll understand how we do that. So we substituted in, we have -5 plus 7 is equal to a into 1 plus b into 0. So you see b has gone to 0. So therefore our a, if we simplify, we end up having our a as 2. So when our a is 2 and then our b is equal to 3, we go back to writing the final expression. So we need to write the final expression by putting back a and b into our original expanded expression. So therefore our partial fraction becomes the 5x plus 7 out of x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, we put back at the a, 2 out of x plus 1 plus 3 out of x plus 2. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe If you are new to this channel and like this video, share it with your friends such that we all understand. We meet in the next thing.